Hey gang, what's going on? All right, now you've got the cord attached to your Psi earplugs. These are actually my personal earplugs that I wear every day, so they're a little bit grungy. My apologies. You are going to get a small, medium, and large pack of Comply tips, and that is so you can try the different sizes and figure out what works best for you. I use the large ones. And the easiest way to get these on is just to push them on. Huh? It doesn't get much more simple than that. So you'll notice there's this blue sort of plastic core. Each size has a different colored core, but they all have this plastic insert and then the squishy foam bit on the outside. So you're literally just going to push these straight on, and that's all there is to it. The main thing you want to be sure of, and I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, is you want that plastic core up against the face of the earplug. You do not want that to be loose. Again, just take it, push it on, twist it a little bit, and that's all there is to it. Now removing these, this is a very soft memory foam. If you grab it up here at the end and try to rip it off, you may damage the foam. So what you want to do is grab it by the base where you can feel that plastic core inside and just wiggle it off. There you go. That's all there is to it. Enjoy.